Guys, food is ready and I'm about to serve everybody. So let's do some. Why not just make it like this?
Also a small
Can
one.
make it like that.
Ja, gib her. Dann nimm das da. Ist egal. Es ist nur für Plantäne.
Hey. Okay. So we have our beans.
Da! Ich dachte mal, das ist
Da.
Ich hatte ein blaues Glas.
Keine Ahnung.
Nö.
So everybody, food is ready.
Go pick up someone.
Alright, give me your plate and alright, go and wash your hands
Go wash
from
your
those
hands.
clay. Look, she have made clay in her plate
Go and wash your hands.
with soap and make sure you wash your finger very well.
Soap is only upstairs at the moment.
Go upstairs and wash it.
Ja.
7 Tage hat Liam Geburtstag.
Exactly 7 days Liam is having birthday.
Like Monday.
Saturday.
In 7 days.
Ist übersetzt.
Yeah,
Heute ist
Samstag.
Daddy, weißt du was?
Saturday. Today is Saturday.
Daddy, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag. Daddy, weißt du
Which can I have it?
Daddy, weißt du was? Mommy, live on Saturday birthday. Eben
Ja.
7 days. 7 days. 7. Und dann den Weekend.
Richard, tell me when you have enough plantain. Evelyn, look.
Okay.
That's so much.
Is that enough?
More.
More?
For 5. 6.
Oh, what's that?
That's enough. When you finish that first.
Then we have that. Our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aber
Viel zu lang zu hinten, weil das ein Weg ist.
And today we're talking about the
You have on your plate. There.
You have. Liam, you have. Here.
Evelyn, is that enough?
Yes.
You like to play.
You like birthday.
Yeah, I like to.
Mommy, can I pick 2 more?
Did I not ask you just if it's enough?
We can have more later.
You can have more later. Thank you, Shad.
What did you say?
But
you
I
said
asked you if
have
it's enough and you said yes, it's enough. Now you want 2 more?
1, 2, 3.
Can you guys stop counting? Is that
Yes,
enough?
yes, that is enough. Because I wanted to see how much I'm having that I can say if it's enough or not.
Du hast jetzt 1, 2, 3, 4,
What
5.
did you have to say?
Thank you for the
Emily? What did you have to say?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Is enough.
Thank you, Mommy. Yes.
Finally again beans and plantain.
Das muss ich doch mal anfragen.
2, glaube ich.
Is that enough, Shad?
Yes, thank you.
Sata Anton.
Aria, stop that.
Yes.
Walk closer.
So, did you do it purposely that here the sweet ones and here
They
the...
are no sweet one, they are all the same. This one is a little bit burnt because I went outside at the end of the cooking. And then the dog jam.
I thought you have to do it purposely because this one is looking like it's much sweeter than this one.
No, it's not about the sweeter. This one is a little bit brownish because before I could come inside the dog jam.
Okay.
Let us eat.
No, let us pray.
I forgot to teach Liam's plates.
Sit down. Sit down. You want plantain? Then
Liam, sit down.
you want plantain? Then sit. Then sit. Sit down
Aria.
for your belly. For your belly.
I don't have a knife here.
For your belly.
Yeah.
Big
I put my arm here. Don't make him. So. Aria.
Rick, hör auf.